Substantial spread all through Hamilton County. As this week ends, the CDC says if you're inside public space anywhere in this county, you should wear a mask whether you're vaccinated or not.
So at this moment in time, we are seeing a lot of change with COVID. Over the last 3 weeks, cases, hospitalizations are skyrocketing.
The 7-day average around here has shot up 90% in a week's time. COVID hospitalizations are 121% higher. In Butler County today for Kroger's Customer Performance Center ribbon cutting, Ohio's governor is not ready to go beyond expressions of concern.
We no longer, frankly, have the ability practically to require a mask mandate statewide. So what we do, we will continue every single week to make doctors available.
We consulted one this afternoon, Dr. Joshua Shafson at Children's Hospital.
We have helped get our numbers much, much lower, but we didn't do enough. And we haven't done enough to keep it down consistently. And the virus has found a way to show us that we're vulnerable.
It's a recommendation, not a requirement. If you're inside, meaning restaurants, bars, movie theaters, and grocery stores.
In terms of today, it's something that we really believe it's left up to each individual. And if the federal government or a state wants to require everybody to get vaccinated, it's fine. But as an individual company, we're just not ready to make that decision.
However, Kroger did issue a statement just a short time ago saying in light of the CDC recommendation, it strongly encourages mask wearing in Kroger stores, whether you're vaccinated or not. Reporting live, John London, WLWT News 5.
So, John, I was just checking Ohio's dashboard. So reporting nearly 1,200 new cases today. As these numbers are going up and up, no single definitive rule. It's kind of a mix of recommendations, requirements. What do leaders say about how that kind of stokes public confusion?
Mike, they know that it does do that. They know that businesses such as Walmart, for example, they require workers to mask, but customers, they leave it up to the customers. And it's the same really with some states, some cities, and some hospitals. When I pose that sort of question to them, they tell me what I'll tell you right now. You got to learn to live with the virus, and apparently you got to learn to live with a little bit of the confusion as well.
All right, it's fair. Thanks, John. John London live for us tonight. Appreciate it.